Honorable Leader of the House, you can move a resolution.
Shukriya, Janab Chairman. With your permission, Mr. Chairman, I move a resolution in the House recalling the long-standing friendly and cordial ties between Pakistan and the countries of Africa, underpinned by shared historical bonds and Pakistan's principled support for African freedom struggles against colonialism, as well as exercise of the right to self-determination. Recognizing the shared values, cultural affinities, and common outlook on global and regional matters that continue to define and strengthen Pakistan-Africa relations. Noting with appreciation Pakistan's proactive engagement with African countries through its Engage Africa policy, aimed at strengthening political, economic, and socio-cultural ties, including enhanced trade, investment, and people-to-people linkages. Reiterating their shared commitment to the principles and purposes of the UN Charter, especially the non-use or threat of use of force in international relations, self-determination of peoples, respect for the sovereignty and territorial integrity of states, and non-interference and non-intervention in their internal affairs. Commending Pakistan's historic and invaluable contributions towards peace and stability of the African continent through Pakistan's participation in the United Nations peacekeeping operations. Affirming that South-South cooperation is essential in the current global scenario to promote inclusive development and address common challenges. Acknowledging that Africa is a continent of emerging opportunities and a vital partner in global peace, prosperity, and progress. Commending the efforts of the African ambassadors and high commissioners in Islamabad, as well as the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Pakistan for their contributions towards strengthening bilateral and multilateral ties. This House hereby resolves that the Government of Islamic Republic of Pakistan shall continue to enhance and expand its relations with African countries across all spheres, including political, economic, technological, cultural, and educational domains for mutual benefit. Pakistan shall further enhance its contributions towards peace and stability of the African continent, including by enhancing its role and cooperation with African Union in area of UN peacekeeping, as well as supporting African solutions to African challenges. 25th May henceforth be observed as Pakistan-Africa Friendship Day, commemorating the spirit of partnership, mutual respect, and shared aspirations between Pakistan and the African continent. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you. I now put the resolution before the House. Those who are in favor of the resolution may say aye. Aye. Those against the resolution may say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The resolution is passed and adopted unanimously. Copy of the resolution be forwarded to all the African countries through Ministry of Foreign Affairs. The proceedings of the House are suspended and the House will reassemble after break at 2 p.m. Thank you.
पाक अफ्रीका ताल्लुकात पर जामा करारदाद पेश की गई है जिसे मंजूर किया जा रहा है। इस हवाले से सेनेट का इजलास जारी है। अब से थोड़ी देर पहले इजहार ख्याल किया जा रहा था। इसहाक डार की जानिब से बताया गया कि 25 मई पाकिस्तान अफ्रीका दोस्ती के दिन के तौर पर मनाया जाता है। अफ्रीका के साथ पाकिस्तान के ताल्लुकात बहुत मजबूत हैं। इससे कबल आपको बता दें कि जो गुज़िश्ता रोज़ खुजदार में अफसोसनाक वाक़या सामने आया था उस पर भी मजम्मत की गई है। तमाम जो मामलात हैं उन पहलुओं पर जायज़ा लिया जा रहा है। कहा जा रहा है कि इस पर जो भी मामलात हैं उसको आगे बढ़ाया जाएगा और जिसकी जानिब से भी किया गया है। ज़ाहिर है भारत के हवाले से ही खबर सामने आई थी। गुज़िश्ता रोज़ ही डिक्लेयर कर दिया गया था भारत की प्रॉक्सीज जिस तरह से पाकिस्तान के अंदर काम कर रही हैं, मुख्तलिफ शहरों को निशाना बनाया जा रहा है। स्पेशली KP के हवाले से बात की जाए, बलूचिस्तान के हवाले से, तो कहा जा रहा है कि अब जवाब देने का वक्त आ चुका है।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।